Imagine, tomorrow morning you wake up and there is no water anywhere. No rivers, no oceans, no rain, just dry soil and thirst. Can you even picture life like that? Thinking face. Wait until the end of this video, because I'll reveal a truth that might shock you. Water is the foundation of human life. Our bodies are made of nearly 70% water. Every organ, every cell, without water, it shuts down. Think about it. If water didn't exist, humanity would never even begin. Backhand index pointing right, what do you think? Can a human survive longer without food or without water? Comment below, and I'll tell you the correct answer at the end. Now let's talk about food. Rice, vegetables, bread, fruits, everything depends on water. Without it, no farming, no crops, no fruits, no meals. Hunger and thirst would wipe out humanity in days. And it's not just humans. Imagine forests, animals, birds. All life depends on water. Without it, jungles would be empty, oceans silent, skies without birds. Here's another shocking thought. Today we call Earth the blue planet because oceans paint it blue. But without water, Earth would look like Mars, just a giant rock with dust and wind. Backhand index pointing right, quick question. Do you think life could exist on another planet without water? Share your thoughts in the comments. Maybe humans would turn to technology, creating water in labs by mixing chemicals. But that water would be so expensive that only a few could afford it. Most people would die of thirst, cities would collapse, and civilizations would end. It's hard to even imagine a world without water. But here's the real question. We do have water today. Are we protecting it? Millions of people struggle daily just for a single glass of clean water, while we waste gallons every day. If we don't change now, our planet could truly become a dry desert in the future. And before you go, here's a fact that might shock you. Humans can survive 3 weeks without food, but only 3 days without water. Think about it. Water is life. Without water, there is no us.